Hello everyone. Today let's talk about an F Conquest. There are many versions of Conquest in the market, and the best one is the F length. Especially this black one is highly recommended because there is no color difference. Look at the side. Has been on the market for more than 10 years, so the technology is basically very mature. It's done well in all aspects. Just looking at it, when you wear it on your wrist, it's hard to tell if it's real or a toy watch, because every detail are all done very well. Look at the side. The details on the side are really well done. And the pointers are smooth. The general filling is very uniform. And this logo. It has a 3-dimensional logo. Look at the logo. It's 3-dimensional. And these bezels, including the 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and the 12 o'clock numbers bag ring, are also polished very brightly and polished. Every corner has been polished. The outer ring can also rotate and touch the line. It's not too tight. The sound is also very crisp. The shell cover should be brushed and polished, and polished and polished have been done. The 4 corners are also chamfered. It won't be very rough. The large relief on the back is also very delicate. The process of large-scale relief is very difficult. The AF factory has really done a great job. Everyone is very clear, and it doesn't feel rough when you touch it. It's quite smooth. The details of the watch buckle are also well done. AF is currently on sale. All the AF products are on sale. Its cost performance is really high. We don't need to consider other factories, as long as it's from F, because the highest version of Titan is F. The most important point is the luminous pearl. The night pearl is made in the right version. The color difference is basically adjusted to be very accurate. Others are relatively white or a bit yellow, and this one is milky white, which is very pure. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and follow.